Cleaning can feel overwhelming. We look around our homes and see clutter everywhere. It's easy to get discouraged, but there's a better way. A systematic approach can make cleaning feel manageable and even enjoyable. Imagine this. You wake up in a clean and tidy home. Every item has its place. Surfaces sparkle. The air feels fresh. This isn't a dream, it can be your reality. The key is to break down the cleaning process. We'll tackle one room at a time. This makes the task less daunting and more rewarding. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Let's begin our journey to a cleaner, more peaceful home. Introducing the Ultimate Cleaning Checklist. This isn't just any checklist. It's a comprehensive guide designed to help you tackle clutter head-on. This checklist is your secret weapon for conquering clutter. Imagine walking into a room and knowing exactly what needs to be done. It will guide you through each room, step by step, ensuring that no corner is left untouched and no task is forgotten. Why is a checklist so helpful? First, it provides structure. It breaks down overwhelming tasks into manageable steps. You'll know exactly what to do and when to do it. This clarity eliminates the guesswork and helps you stay focused. This eliminates decision fatigue and keeps you on track. No more wondering where to start or what to do next. Second, a checklist ensures that no task is overlooked. Every detail, no matter how small, is accounted for. From baseboards to light fixtures, every detail is covered. You'll be amazed at how thorough you can be with a simple checklist. This checklist is designed to be flexible. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Adapt it to your own home and cleaning needs. Customize it to fit your lifestyle and preferences. Add or remove tasks as you see fit. The goal is to create a system that works for you, making cleaning less of a chore and more of a routine. With this ultimate cleaning checklist, you'll transform your home into a clutter-free haven. The kitchen is the heart of the home, where families gather to cook, share meals, and create memories together. But it's also often the messiest. From countertops cluttered with dishes to cabinets overflowing with items, it can quickly become overwhelming. Let's start by decluttering. Begin by emptying your countertops completely. Remove all items and give the surfaces a thorough scrub. This will instantly make your kitchen feel more spacious and clean. Next, tackle the refrigerator. Toss out any expired food and wipe down the shelves. A clean fridge not only looks better but also helps keep your food fresh. Now, move on to the appliances. Clean the stovetop and scrub the oven. These areas can accumulate a lot of grime and grease, so take your time to make them sparkle. Don't forget the microwave. Clean it inside and out, ensuring there are no food splatters left behind. And remember the dishwasher. Run an empty cycle with vinegar to remove any buildup and keep it running efficiently. Now let's focus on the cabinets and drawers. Remove everything from inside, wipe down the shelves, and clean the interiors thoroughly. Only put back what you truly need and use. This is a great opportunity to reorganize and create more space. Consider using organizers or bins to keep things tidy. You'll be amazed at how much more functional and pleasant your kitchen will be with everything in its place. Finally, don't forget the floor. Sweep and mop it thoroughly, making sure to get into all the corners and crevices where dirt can hide. Paying extra attention to these areas will ensure your kitchen is spotless and inviting. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Deep cleaning your bathroom. Today, we will guide you through the essential steps to transform your bathroom into a pristine and hygienic haven. The bathroom should be a sanctuary of cleanliness, a place where you can relax and rejuvenate without worrying about germs or grime. We'll start with the toilet, one of the most critical areas to keep clean. Use a disinfectant cleaner both inside and outside the bowl. Make sure to scrub thoroughly to remove any stains and bacteria. Next, move on to the sink and countertops. These areas can accumulate soap scum and toothpaste residue. Wipe them down with an all-purpose cleaner. Pay special attention to the faucet and handles as they are frequently touched. The shower or bathtub requires extra attention. Soap scum and mildew can build up quickly in these areas. Spray the walls and floor with a bathroom cleaner and let it sit for a few minutes. This will help to break down any tough grime. Scrub away grime and rinse thoroughly. Don't forget to clean the grout lines as they can harbor mold and mildew. And remember to clean the shower head. Mineral deposits can clog the nozzles, reducing water flow. Finally, wash the bathroom floor. This step is crucial for removing any dirt and bacteria that may have settled. Use a disinfectant cleaner to eliminate germs. Make sure to get into the corners and along the edges where dirt can accumulate. Pay special attention to the area around the toilet, which tends to harbor bacteria. A thorough cleaning will ensure your bathroom is a true sparkling sanctuary. Creating a tranquil bedroom. Declutter and breathe easy. Your bedroom should be a peaceful haven. Start by making the bed. This simple act instantly makes the room look neater. Next, declutter your nightstand. Only keep essential items within reach. Move on to your closet. Take everything out and only put back the clothes you love and wear regularly. Donate or discard the rest. Now it's time to dust. Dust all surfaces, including furniture, shelves, and baseboards. Finish by vacuuming or mopping the floor. This will remove dust, dirt, and allergens, promoting a more restful sleep environment. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite hack. Thanks for dropping in today, and we'll see you in the next episode.